What I love most about Campfire Night is the skits all turn out really nice. The talent's always changing, always growing. The show, I guess, will go on like that. We all will pay a price. There's a way to make the night more easygoing. Just apply for Campfire Night. If we all apply for Campfire Night, we can sing or dance. Just apply for Campfire Night. Just take a chance. What have you got to lose? It'll be a blast. Whether it's talent or even a skit, just remember to apply before the 17th, October 17th.
Hey everybody, my name is Johnny Kanowin, and I am your Campfire Skits and Talent X Chair for Fall Training Conference 2014. Focus. Okay, there we go. I hope you enjoyed my rendition of Just Around the River Bend from Pocahontas, with a few minor tweaks here and there. But just in case you didn't know, the deadline to submit videos and applications for Campfire Skits and Talent Acts has been extended. That's right, you now have until Friday, October 17th to send in your submissions by 11:59 p.m. So get to recording your videos so you can help make this year's Fall Training Conference one of the most memorable yet.